بارك عنا ابراهيم من العجاجه بحراج شتينا انا ولا انت
لا الراجل لا راس راك خويا والو واش انا قلت لك واحد
Your parakeet. Oh, it's up there. Yeah, it is.
يلا شفتها شربتك يلا بيجي الصور
Smile.
Always children learn about parents' job. Keeps from parents to children from generation to another. Because we the Kurdish belong into the country of the Berbers through the Atlas Mountains in different tribes. Each family has a loom like this one at home. Because it was the only way for self-expression for ladies in the olden days, after the hard life. Looking the food, looking after the children, the hard weather as well in the mountain. After the free time, sitting down in front of the island for those last year. Some people they need to have Moroccan life, but traditional one doesn't fit. So that's why we did create some contemporary designs. After pictures, after admiring Layla, you can come inside to discover.
This one here, madam.
I'm serious.
Go ahead.
That's good. Go ahead.
Okay, do slow. Slow.
Use a knife. We're talking rugs here. Yeah, you got 'em. Look at that balcony up there. You can look down on everybody. Yeah, all kind of carpets. Everything all stacked up here. Super stacks of carpets. Look at these all. Very hardy rugs here.
You can sit anywhere you wish, but the courtyard, it used to be open to the sky because there's no windows from the other side of the street. It rains into the courtyard. It used to be a fountain in the middle of the house with some drains where the water of the rain go. Summertime, the whole family used to live downstairs. It keeps cool. During winter, it's too cold. They move to the second one. Closer to the skylight, it keeps warm with the cedar wood. See? The houses, they come smaller as they go larger. In this case, you found lemon trees, orange trees, and small gardens inside. If I don't exaggerate, it exists 10, 15 times bigger than this, what we call Riyadh. 360,000 knots per each square meter. That's why you can use them from both sides. This is the summer side. Why we use them that way? Because at the time we didn't have vacuum cleaner. To use it as much as you can. More you use them, more you walk on them, more you clean them, they become old, nice, increasing up in value. Not only as furniture at home, but mainly it's investment of money. They stay from parents to children, from generation to another. So,
this is the Berber type
it's
here.
the first technique existing as weaving carpets in the country. Has been invented by the Berber ladies for many centuries ago, because they were in need of to cover the floor of the tent, and at the same time they used to be nomads. So those ones are not so heavy as much the knotted ones. It's only woven, and the designs are embroidered. Sometimes are embroidered, sometimes are knotted. I want you to come closer to touch, please. Because you cannot do like that. You have to touch. You see?
That one's raised up. That one's like embedded in there.
Embroidered.
Look. Here.
Look out, please, this up. One of the kind. No way to find the second one, I don't think.
Oh, that's a lot thicker here. Boy. Only one side on this. Yeah, look at that. Very nice. Wow. Have to get
Look
up
at the
now.
Berber Picasso. This is the double-headed knotted. Please, who likes the minty with no sugar? Hands up, please. No sugar. واحد جوج ثلاثة. فين هو اللي بلا سكر؟ زيد. Pardon? For you is gift.
Okay.
Red.
This here. Wow, that's really thick.
You have the blue.
That's a thick one there.
Very lovely blue one.
Very thick, very thick. Oh, look at that. These are all very thick rugs.
Nearby Rabat.
One side only here, though, but yeah,
Morocco.
they're good. Okay.
We have
1, 2. Yeah. Right, let's have it.
Aras. Halal. Yes. Look at now our creation, please. Hello.
Oh, that,
This is the creation.
nice.
Contemporary ones.
You see? All beautiful carpets. If I had a big living room with wooden floors, I have wall-to-wall carpeting at home. This one is colored with saffron. Look at the edge on this here too. This is like really thick, really dense. Beautiful carpet here. This will last you for years and years, almost like a Native American design on it there. So yeah.
Oh, close.
This is the rug I'm going to get. Size down here.
You've got even the back.
Yeah, in the back and everything there. So this is my salesman. He's guaranteeing me, my friend here.
My
all
word.
right? Okay,
My
his
word.
here.